2013, after I saw the job advertised on Powis's job page. I had just left sixth form in Llandudnoes High School, and I didn't think university was going to be for me. I wanted to get out into the world and see some things and get a bit of a task and a bit of a knowledge behind myself, ready for the future. And I saw Powis's apprenticeships. I actually applied for two. I applied for one in the leisure centre, and I applied for one which was in Powis's depots, and I actually got both. So I then had the decision on results day of my A-levels which job to take, and I am so happy I chose to become an LE operative at the time for Powis. When I first joined, my job was to learn, basically. I've shadowed a few people, and then slowly, as months and turned into years, I started going out to training. I had to go to college, which was really great. I get to meet a lot more people, peers my own age, going through the same things that I was. And then slowly over time you start off as a greenhorn, and then slowly you pick it up, and you start to know yourself, and you know what you're doing, and you get given a little bit more trust. And then after a while they asked me if I would go out and do my Class 2 lorry licence, and I went out, got that, and then I had a couple of seasons gritting. I had one of the worst seasons gritting for my first season in 2018, but I wouldn't look back. It was brilliant. It was really good. In October last year, a new role came up, again advertised on Powis's job page, looking for an engineering and design technician. And I went for it, and a couple of weeks later I found out I got it. And it was sad because I was going to have to leave some brilliant people in the depot I'd been working at for the last 4 years, but it was an opportunity I couldn't miss, so I took it. And since then I have been, instead of doing the job, I've been planning and designing the job, and it's brilliant. You get to see it from two different sides. I would recommend the apprenticeship scheme to anybody who is a little bit unsure, and even people that have gone to university and come back and maybe struggling to just still find themselves and find what they want to do, because if you get a job within Powis, it can literally take you anywhere. You can start on the tools and end up running a depot one day. It's got some great career progression and education, because even now in this job I've still gone back to school and I'm still learning, and it's just never ending, the opportunity.